Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to open a PiggyVest account for yourself in a very simple way. So first of all, you have to be in your Apple Store or your Play Store, and let's go over to the search button and type in PiggyVest, and this will show up. And so you have to download the app. I have to update my app, so I'm going to do that immediately. Let me update it. So guys, after that I'm going to go over to your PiggyVest app. Let's click it. So what I'm going to do here is just to create an account. PiggyVest have many functions. You can save money, you can buy dollar through PiggyVest. So guys, before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment. They are asking for your name, your first name, so I'm going to type in my name right now. So the next one is your email. So you have to put your email address, the one that you are using, that is active, your one that you are currently using. So I've done that. And the next one is your phone number. Just to type in your phone number and create a password. So you have to create a password, a very strong one, the one that that will be like, it will be very easy for you to remember. So they say you have to re-enter your password, so I have to type in the password again. So yeah, in the downside they're asking for referral, so if anyone referred you, you just have to put their number. And what you do next is just to click on that create a new account or create a free account, and this just showed. Okay, create a pin, allow PiggyVest to send you notifications. So you're going to press allowed. So yeah, they're saying you should press like create a pin. So guys, you have to remember the pin you are creating because it's very, very important. Before you log into your PiggyVest, I think you have to use this pin to log in. So I'm putting the one that I know that will be very easy for me to remember. I've done that. So guys, you see I've opened a PiggyVest account. Is very easy. PiggyVest have many function and option. Yeah, you can save money, and you can save money, and you can receive a high interest. Yes, high interest. You can deposit money, you can send money, you can buy dollars, and you can also invest. Investment when it comes to PiggyVest is one of the most important thing. You can invest on crypto and many others, and many other functions, which I'm going to talk about in my next video. And this is my account, so let me put it on dark mode. This dark mode. Okay, so I have to log in back to my account, guys. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my video, and see you next time. Love you.